Well, the wave is a composition. It's a composition that is made out of about 13, 14 instruments I created on different projects of mine over the last, I think, 10, 12 years. It has the specialty of really being like a mix of a lot of ideas I always wanted to do and got together, and the wave acts like the structure of the exhibition here. On top of which, the Whisperers, the second project, comes as a system of speakers that amplifies the instruments of the wave. A symphony is playing, and it's playing through vases, water elements, and sculptures from the Whisperers that render it to our ears. So, instruments of the wave, speakers of the Whisperers, and the third project is Within, which is a very important project of mine and very dear to me on sound and deafness. It is about learning from the deaf what listening and hearing are without the ears and with other senses and other abilities that deaf people develop compared to us hearing people. First of all, I create instruments because they are really elements I find very powerful in terms of exploring sounds, playing together, sharing with people. So that's the first interest in making instruments. The instruments I make are of all materials: plastic, wood, metal, glass. I enjoy very much listening to materials, you see, to see what is the acoustic, what is the sound of the different materials that are here in the exhibition, for example. How does the sound resonate inside a bronze bowl? How does sound resonate inside a bone or a stone? And these ideas inspire a lot the instruments and the forms I create. When I saw the space in Cukrarna and how it's open to the outside, the natural light, also its place in the city and all this, I proposed this combination. You see, I proposed the space that invites you to come and stay and spend time in it. There is really a composition here. There is something that has a duration. It's about a 40-45 minute composition that you can listen to from A to Z, and thinking where you sit, how you are received here. And there are even things that you can explore with the help of the team here in terms of trying some of the instruments or some of the ideas that you hear and experience when you spend some time in the space.